Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Logitech Jaybird Tarah Pro earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or pairing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear, or kind of any issues like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason that you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to set these earbuds up like a new set of earphones coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do this really easily. All you need to do is, first of all, whatever device you've had them paired on with in the past, just go delete it off that device. And then we want to turn our headphones off. So if they're not already off, you're just going to press and hold this middle button on this controller here until the LED light turns red and then goes off. And then once they're powered off, you're going to come in again and press this middle button on here for about 5 seconds until the LED starts blinking white. Once it starts blinking white, we want to release this and then very quickly do a double tap. So 5 seconds it starts to blink, we're going to release and do tap tap on that middle button. And if it's worked, the LED will illuminate red briefly and then the LED will start blinking in white again. So now everything's been wiped off and you can go ahead and set these earphones up as a new set of headphones.